High security fence, also called 358 fence, which is well known as anti-climb and anti-cut fence. Perfectly suited to high security applications like military, airport, prison, warehouse, factory, etc. 358 high security fence, also called 358 fencing, which is well known as anti-climb and anti-cut fence. Perfectly suited to high security applications like military, airport, prison, warehouse, factory, etc. Anti-climb fence is a security mesh product that effectively delays and deters attacks, and the spacing of the mesh makes it impossible for fingers and toes to pass through. As a specialist of anti-climbing fence mesh in China, our products are widely used in various industries. Welcome to contact us.